Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the update on SLP. On the daily time frame chart, you can see that the price on SLP has recently broken out another down channel. Previously, we broke out this longer down channel, and after that, it was stuck inside in another smaller down channel. And now we have broken out the resistance of the channel, and after that, it has crossed up the expected target for this channel that was here at the top of the channel at $0.0021, but the pricing got rejected by this long-term resistance on that start from 2.6 and goes to $0.003. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this resistance on from $0.0026 to $0.003 has been working as a point of rejection here, and supports on here for several weeks or months, and supports on here as well. And now again, it is striking at a very strong resistance for the price line of SLP. And on the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this huge falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like there's a trade setup for SLP, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 8th of August 2025. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this, the buying's on, sell target's on, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying on and rallied to the sell target on. Now let's move to the live chart of SLP. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past few weeks, it has been moving inside this channel. And after the breakout, the pricing got rejected by this key resistance on that start from 2.6 and goes to $0.003. That is a quite long-term resistance on that we need to break out now to continue this rally to the upside. By the way, recently we have also broken down this support of $0.0021 as well. That is now again flipped into resistance. Previously, this $0.0021 has been working as a support here for several days, and here it was working as a resistance, almost as a resistance here as well. And again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of SLP. Right now, we are testing the support of $0.0015. That was recently working as a support here for a few days. Resistance, and support here, and resistance here, and support here in the month of March 2025 as well. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel. That is at $0.006. And the long-term target for the breakout from this huge falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 7 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.